In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PDF title in Properties using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a simple task, but it's essential for organizing your documents and ensuring that the metadata is accurate. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone in between, keeping your PDFs properly titled can make a huge difference in managing your files. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to start by opening up your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you have the document ready that you want to edit. If you're on the main screen, just go ahead and open that PDF. If you need to navigate to it, click on the File menu and then Open, or simply drag and drop your file into Acrobat. Having the PDF open is the first crucial step. Once your PDF is open and on your screen, you'll direct your attention to the top left corner where the menu is located. There you'll see a range of options available. You want to click on this menu to reveal further options. This menu is your gateway to most of the powerful features within Acrobat, including editing capabilities for numerous document properties. After clicking the menu, look for Document Properties. This is usually in the drop-down list that appears. Selecting this option will open up the Document Properties dialog box. Within this box, you'll find various settings related to your PDF, but for our focus today, we're going to zone in on a specific tab. Now navigate over to the Description tab. This area holds all the general metadata about your document, but don't worry about all the other fields right now. We're here to make a specific change. Look for the title field. This is where you'll see the current title of your PDF, which might not represent what you want it to be. Click on the title field to highlight it and enable editing. Simply erase or overwrite the existing text with the new title you've chosen. It's as simple as typing in your new title, ensuring it's clear and accurate, as this will assist with easy identification in the future. Once you've entered your new title, the last step is to ensure that your changes are saved. You'll notice an OK button usually located at the bottom of this Document Properties dialog. Click OK, and this will save your new title, applying it to the PDF file. It's a straightforward confirmation, but absolutely vital to conclude your editing process. And that's it! You've successfully changed the title of your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, managing the metadata of your PDFs is a quick but impactful task that can help maintain your files organization. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take control of your PDF documents.